Yo, yo, what up? Trader Gliz back at it, and I meant to make a video yesterday because Brendan hyped me up that like I got one of his boys right, 60% gainer or something. I don't remember what stock it was, but yeah. So I wanted to make this video because like I haven't made a video in a while, but I meant to put it out yesterday, but my roommate was in the room, so like I didn't do it. And a bunch of plays that I had ready are cooking right now, so sorry. But first, here's the Nasdaq and Q, and we could. I mean, the markets are looking really good right now. Obviously, with the election news and stuff, the market pumped. We did pull back a little bit, but we're still following this uptrend. And if we break this, we break this level, we'll likely see this level retested. And if we break through that to all-time highs, we we'll see a big move upwards. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. But if we pull back, if we break below this trend line, I do think we might see a significant pullback, but honestly, I'm more biased towards the upside in this market just because of the news and how everything's been looking good and people are buzzing in the stock market. All right, but first stock we're going to look at is Crocs, which I entered a position in yesterday before close. Unfortunately, Crocs, I mean, not for me, but unfortunately for you guys, Crocs is up 5% today. And I do think there's plenty more room to run. I'm in 115 December calls. They're actually up over 100% today. So, yay. Or actually, no. I'm up all time over 100% today. But here's why I took the trade and why I think there's way more room to run. So we have this pattern right here. We've been in this uptrend, and we've used this trend line 1, 2, 3, and now 4 times. I bought down here with this. And then on the daily chart, we were oversold on the RSI. Last time we were oversold, we made this significant run up, and I do think that this will be an even stronger move to the upside. I think we will fill this gap completely and run back up to the 130s. Because Crocs did beat their earnings were good for their EPS, so I think Crocs is looking good, but we just did have a negative reaction. Next stock I was gonna talk about, I didn't even enter a position myself, but that's Abercrombie and Fitch, and the reason I didn't is their option chain is pretty expensive, too expensive for the amount of capital that I have. So I haven't actually entered anything here, but I'm thinking about entering shares. I low-key should have entered here. This is when I was gonna put the video out yesterday when we were down here. Gap to fill, and it does look like we're rejecting during the day. Maybe we'll see another green day tomorrow, and then maybe we'll reject, fill this gap, and then hopefully retest this so I can enter in lower. But I probably will enter in shares with a break and hold of a with the break and close above this resistance, and I do think we could run all the way back up to highs, if not higher, to 200, the little mental resistance level. All right, next stock, Wayfair. Fuck, also up so much. I did not enter in this because I'm an idiot. I wanted to enter over here because we're breaking out of this pattern. We had a double bottom, or actually triple bottom. Fuck. Sorry, looking at this makes me mad. But we're going to see this in no time. There's still room to make money. I personally won't enter in it, which I low-key should have, and I'm really upset about, but whatever. There's always going to be more plays. And then next stock is Dollar Tree. ticker DLTR. And this is, I'll tell you what I like here. So, hold on. Let me go to a wider time frame. Go to the 10. Oh wait, no, even bigger than 10 years. Oh wait, no, I just clicked the wrong one. All right, we're sitting currently at this. Here, let's extend this to the left also, and then I actually will go larger. All right, we are currently sitting at this massive level for Dollar Tree. We use this as this level as a resistance here, then support. This right here is my favorite pattern. Break of old resistance, retest up. I preach that. We use that in a lot of trades. Test it again, and then bounce back. And now we're currently sitting at this level again, and we are the most. This is a bullish divergence on the RSI. Basically, the RSI is lower than it was, but we're at the same price. So that's a bullish sign. And then I also like on the shorter term, so we have this. This is what we're looking like on the daily. We have these gaps to fill to the upside, which I do think will fill. I'll probably take. Wait, let me see how expensive. Oh shit. Okay, they're a little bit pricey, not terrible, but on the 1 hour chart, we're breaking out of this pattern right here, super clean, and I do think we will make at least a 7% move in the short term. So if you want to enter short-term contracts, I do think Dollar Tree is good for the short term, but also not long term, but like a month or two out, we'll see these gaps filled. And I do think that if you believe in Dollar Tree in the long term, I don't think you will get ever a better chance to enter into the stock. So I think entering it right now, buying shares would be very wise, and I likely will do so myself. But yeah. All right, next stock is Dell. This is what I see on Dell. Unlike the other ones, I'm not too bullish. Or actually, I am, I guess, for a little bit of time, but we could see this level on this. We're in this channel. We've been trading this tight channel for since August, so a good amount of time. Just been uptrending in this channel, and I would only enter this trade. I don't love this chart, but I do like it. I would enter in this trade with a break below this, and I would target the 120 level. So as puts, obviously, I wouldn't buy calls on it, but yeah, that's pretty much all I have on Dell. Another stock that's similar, is CrowdStrike. Oh, actually, okay. Well, yesterday when I was gonna make this video, we were sitting at this resistance level, but it looks like we're breaking through. But we're also this very similar pattern to Dell. We also might maybe. All right, here I have a new theory. I do think we will make this good, decent move up to this little apex right here, this intersection of these two trend lines, and then I think we will see a big drop off. We also do have earnings in 2 days or 4 days, sorry, and we're oversold on the RSI. So CrowdStrike also has had a number of big clients, whatever, drop them, like some airlines after their big outage. They've moved on to competitors, so that's not good for the company. I don't know how great their earnings will be. I don't think they will be good. So this would be a very risky play through earnings, because earnings is honestly kind of gambling. But I do think we will end up dropping off and going back down to this like 315 level. So there's definitely room to make money on the downside there. But yeah, that's what I got on CrowdStrike. Next stop is Pepsi. Pepsi, there's very clean. So we have this chart right here. Once is resistance, support, 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 and now we're back at this trend line, and buyers stepped up at this level again, like they have many times. And this is the monthly chart, so this is some time out. But if you want to buy calls for a good amount into the future, you could. Pepsi isn't the biggest moving stock, but I do think we will break this. We'll break this trend line. Sorry, I have my alert set for that trend line, and I think we could test all-time highs, make a 20% move. So I don't know about calls, maybe like calls well into the future, but shares might be a good play there too. All right, next and final stock on the list is AMAT, Applied Metals, and here is why I like it. So this is in the short term. Nothing crazy. We just had earnings. They beat earnings on EPS. Stock dropped. Now we have a gap to fill. But on the monthly chart, this is what I like. Resistance, break through that level, like bounce off the, what is that, I think 50-day moving average, yeah. And then we just pulled back. So now we're at this level again. We're retesting it. Let me see. Are there other examples of this on this chart? Yeah, right here. I'll draw this out for you, I'll draw it out for you. This is exactly what we're seeing right here. Just now at more expensive prices. But we use this as a resistance once and twice. We broke through it. We pulled all the way back, retested it. From there, we ran up 265%. Now we're in the same exact boat as we were right here. Buyers have this opportunity to step up and drive this stock up. I do think we will see all-time highs, but I don't think it will be anytime soon. So this, I would enter in shares, maybe hold for like a few quarters, or maybe like, I don't know, but this stock will go up. I promise you that. And I do think, yeah, that's it. I think it'll go up. And that's it for the video. Wait, actually, let me take a look real quick. Let's see my other watch list. See some of the stocks that are up. See if I like anything. See Gap. No. Damn. Datadog. Big move up. I was gonna enter in right here, and then pre-market I saw how much it gapped up, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone. But I wish I still got in. But it's alright. MDB. Foot Locker. I'm still in Foot Locker. Foot Locker looks decent. Honestly, I sold one of my contracts for a loss, but I'm still holding the other one because we were sitting at this support level right here, like 2180 level. And then we're in this channel. So Foot Locker honestly could be a good buy. Once we break above this trend line, we could make a pretty good run up. I'm in $25 calls, but yeah. Oh, L. I want to call this out too. Sorry, I forgot about this. Long-term buy. Long-term. Like, this is not options. Don't touch any options on this. But L made a crazy run up. Like, they're in the same sector as Elf. They're a cosmetic company, and they have a great balance sheet. They have great management, and I believe in this company long term. I think long term this company like will be a good competitor for Elf. They sell cheaper but similar products, more affordable. But on this chart now, we're at this support from all the way back here in 2012, and the stock is oversold on the RSI on the monthly chart, which is like super rare. But we are actually starting to form. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell. Okay, yeah, getting glitchy, but we formed this hammer candle. So created this long wick because buyers stepped up. They like this level, and I honestly think. I mean, look, last time the RSI, or we were oversold on the RSI. Like, just look at those percentages. I don't even have to say anything. Obviously, we probably won't get a move that high up, but we could easily go back to all-time highs long term in the next couple of years. So this would not be a bad. This would be a very good investment actually. So it's just a great price to buy shares. Don't touch options contracts on this unless you want to, I don't know, buy some January 2027 calls. But if you really want to do that, you do you. Honestly, it's not a bad idea. They're not that expensive. I mean, they are, but it's similar to how much I would put in shares. So honestly, it might be a good play to do options in the future. But yeah, all right. Sorry, long video. I rambled a lot. But those are all the stocks I'm watching this week. Some of the stocks I'm in. I just see Brendan texted me. I need big plays. Tell me them. You better be watching this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you make some money with me, and I'll try and start posting more consistently. I've been really busy with school, but I have Thanksgiving break now, so I'll be back home on my laptop hopefully making videos. So yeah, thanks for watching.